We're going to do a standing bird dog. We're going to take 2 pounds, maybe 3-pound dumbbells, hold them with our palms facing away from our body. We're focusing on balance and core strength. Our shoulders are working as well. We're going to take our right arm first and lift it to the ceiling. And then you're going to take your left leg and lift it out and in front of your body. So we're doing a little balance right here. Flex your foot, keep your hips square. And then we're going to switch it, okay? We're going to switch legs, we're going to switch arms, and we're going to do it at the same time. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, switch. Take a nice deep breath when you're here. Feel that balance, feel that core engagement. And then switch, 1, 2, 3, here we are again. All right, each lift is 1 rep.